It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Canyon SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Canyon. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable, heated side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, a power adjustable driver's seat with a leather interior. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel. On the right side, we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using those arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Overhead, we have some interior light buttons and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. This is GMC's Infotainment Center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the right here, we have hitch guidance. The hard buttons for our radio and media options, the climate control buttons with air conditioning, trailer mode, traction control, hazard lights, box lighting, lane departure alert, park assist, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-in, no slip matting, dual cup holders, and the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Canyon, there are black tow hooks, fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, chrome mirror caps. Those mirrors are also heated, rear tinted windows, keyless entry, chrome door handles, running boards down below. At the back, the rear window slider, a soft tonneau cover, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate, so we're able to drop that tailgate down with ease. The box of the truck has a rear cargo liner and cargo hooks. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. On the back of the front passenger seat, we've got a seat pocket. The back of our center console has some USB plug-ins along with a power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to raise the rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Canyon SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.